Chef Ada, and today I'm gonna make jam sandwich. So we need 2 slices of bread and jam right there, and we need a butter right here in the plate and the knife.
First, take a slice of bread and put some butter on the slice of bread. Spread the butter evenly on the bread. Now put the slice of bread on the plate. Take the other slice of bread and spread some jam evenly on the bread. Spread the jam evenly on the slice of bread. Okay, now when you're done, press the 2 bread together. Press it together, put it on the plate, and enjoy your sandwich.